Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're diving into how to apply for Affirm on Amazon, a full guide for 2025. If you're tired of high-interest credit cards and want a flexible way to pay for your Amazon hauls, Affirm is your new best friend. It's a buy now pay later service that lets you split payments over time with clear, upfront rates, no surprises. First off, let's get you started. Before applying, make sure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. address, and a steady income source. This helps Affirm assess your application quickly. Step 1. Head over to the Affirm website or download the Affirm app on your phone. It's super straightforward. Sign up with your email, create a password, and fill out a short application form. They'll ask for details like your name, date of birth, and social security number for verification. Once submitted, Affirm will run a soft credit check, which won't hurt your credit score. Next, link Affirm to your Amazon account. Log into Amazon, go to your payment methods, and search for Affirm as an option. If it's not showing up, you might need to enable it through Amazon's payment settings. Pro tip: double-check that your Affirm account is approved first. Now for the fun part, making a purchase. Add items to your Amazon cart, proceed to checkout, and select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be prompted to confirm your purchase details with Affirm, including your repayment plan. Choose a term that fits your budget, like 3, 6, or 12 months, and complete the approval in seconds. Finally, once approved, your order ships as usual, and you'll make payments through the Affirm app or website. Remember, always review the APR and fees to avoid any unexpected costs. By 2025, Affirm has made this process even faster with improved integrations, so you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and shopping hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's shop smarter together. See you in the next video.